Good day and thanks for joining us. My name is Ryan Snyder. You're here with WC Blasting. This is our finished restoration video here for the Old Timers log cabin in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. This large log building was built in the 1960s by an organization called the Northern Alberta Pioneers and Descendants Association. They archive Alberta's history and stories of the settlers coming to the north, which is pretty interesting. You can check that out on northernalbertapioneers.com. And again, this was a federal grant program put on by the Canadian government for the Canada 150 nominations. And this project went very well. We did full blasting and staining, as well as the log chinking and sealing, and a few other basic repairs. And we invite you to get in touch and comment, share this video, give it a like. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on our other social media pages at WC Blasting. And also, this hall is available to rent for your private function. We're very excited to be able to be a part of this project and preserve Canadian history. And we thank you for watching this finished restoration video. You can get in touch with us anytime by sending us an email, info@WCBlasting, or give us a call, 844-ICE-SODA. Thanks for watching this video.